Imagine creamy chocolate spreads and no dairy. Follow me on a journey that was literally bittersweet.
In March of 2020, Spain announced one of the strictest lockdowns in all of Europe due to COVID-19. However, when faced with furlough, Julia, a serious chocolate lover, decided to make the most of the situation. Today on Rated V, I'm going to share the story behind Fraco vegan chocolate spreads and how they came about. I freaking love chocolate, so let's go meet Julia.
Hi guys, I'm Julia. I'm from Frajco. I created this vegan organic chocolate spread because I'm a huge foodie, probably just as you are, and chocolate lover. And I used to work this corporate job as an editor. I basically couldn't do one single day without chocolate, but I can't get my hands dirty when I'm typing, so I soon started to look for a chocolate spread that was vegan, organic, and tasty. And I'm pretty sure I tried all the brands that we have here in Spain, and I wasn't happy. And I was looking for the same uplifting effect that real chocolate has, as a creamy, flowy, indulgent treat. So I soon started to experiment around with chocolate and creating my own recipe. And then this health situation happened, which I was very lucky to be able to dedicate more time to this, and I started trying out different recipes full time. Just ended up creating my own brand and taking the leap and becoming self-employed. I wanted to create a product that is a conscious product, so that doesn't harm animals, nature, other people. If I were to sum up the mission in one single sentence, I think that Fraco is just about spreading love, quite literally, bringing people moments of joy. And create something that gives you that feeling of being happy, of being motivated, that uplifts you, that makes you feel light and happy. Because, like, in my personal opinion, life is all about moments. Especially the situation we're in right now, I feel that people are longing for these happy moments, right? How many trial runs did I have to take until I found this recipe? Until I got to this point, 30-something recipes at least. It took a whole summer of eating a lot of chocolate.
Julia has developed 3 flavors: chocolate hazelnut, chocolate raspberry, and classic dark chocolate. Each has their unique flavor and has recommended pairings, so of course I had to try them.
The pure dark chocolate goes well with espresso because the espresso has the really earthy, caramelly kind of notes, and that's what I really like about this dark chocolate.
Okay, so now to try the classic dark chocolate. Chocolate and coffee are always a good combination. Chocolate has such a rich flavor. If you're a fan of dark chocolate, you will like it. It's the perfect amount of bitter and sweet at the same time. Now to try the coffee. The acidity of the coffee just cuts it really well. I can see why these two complement each other. Definitely a great choice.
The next set we're gonna taste is the raspberry dark chocolate spread and red wine. This one is Syrah. It's really fruity, so it pairs really, really well with this citric, acidic, sweet flavor of the raspberry spread. I personally love this for dessert after dinner.
Okay, red raspberry and red wine. Another wonderful sounding combination. Red raspberry and dark chocolate are one of my favorite fruit combinations because of the tartness that it adds, so I'm really looking forward to this. You can really taste the raspberry in this, so delicious. Now let's complement it. That works so well. The citric notes and the floral notes work so well. The sweet and sour, it's just perfect.
This is the third pairing we're gonna try today. It's chocolate hazelnut spread and vegan croissant, and I actually don't think it needs any further explanation.
Okay, chocolate hazelnut and vegan croissant, no explanation needed. Let's try this. Oh my gosh. The hazelnut chocolate spread is so creamy. The hazelnut flavor really comes through. And with the vegan croissant, you guys, look at these layers. OMG. Get ready to get chocolate faced.
Cacao has all these very, very beneficial substances, minerals, and essentially different components that make our brains react in a certain way. For example, it has dopamine that makes you feel happy and more motivated. There's also serotonin, which is the the molecule that makes you feel happy. The goals with the Frajco in the short term are a rebranding actually. We're right now in the process of a rebranding, and then as soon as we finish the rebranding, we want to up the production and move it to a manufacturing facility. So, you know, we can have a consistent quality, no matter if it's 5 degrees in your kitchen or 30 something. And also to produce just more. I have so many new recipes in my head that I want to put into production and do different products as well. For example, pralines. That's definitely something you need proper production for. Ice cream next summer, I'd love to do ice cream. Pair it with some local artisan ice cream makers maybe, and new vegan chocolatey flavors.